Hi guys, the change the name of colors, press enter and return the Mac on your keyboard, accept it. Move the color layers above the adjustment layers. We needed images and appear above the sketch. So click on the color layers and draw above the level adjustments. Layer with the blue lines appear above the adjustment layer. Release your mouse buttons. The images temporary block and sketch from the view. Change the blend modes to color. The blend modes color from the images onto the sketch, changing blend modes and colors layers from the normal colors. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.